Are you a certified medical coder from AAPC? Do you want free CUs in order to keep your certification alive? Do you know how to get free AAPC CUs? Do you want to attend free HealthCon conferences? If your answer is yes for all these questions, watch this video until the end. I am Harish, medical coder, process trainer, content creator for FastCoder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. As all of us know, if you are AAPC certified coder, you need to have CUs in order to keep your certification alive. So then the question is, how do we get free CUs? So today we are going to know the chapter which is providing free CUs to the coders who are certified from AAPC, which is none other than Chennai AAPC local chapter. So today our topic is success story of AAPC Chennai local chapter. As all of us know, Chennai chapter is the most famous for the more certified coders will attend its free CEU webinars. So in this session, we are going to know few things about Chennai local chapter. So basically, Chennai chapter is established since 2015. So in this session, we are going to learn chapter officer and members, chapter meeting sets, speakers of Chennai chapter, contribution to APC Healthcare Business Magazine, CSR activities. So CSR means corporate social responsibility activities, chapter members in presenting in other chapters, rewards and recognitions. So for 2023, Chennai chapter officers are President Ashik CT, CPC, Treasurer Bhavani Pechmuthu, COC CPC, so Vice President Rajalakshmi Gopalakrishnan, CPC CRC, Education Officer Vassala Muchukumara Swami, COC, so Secretary Mahalakshmi Vaithalingam, COC CPC, and Member Development Officer Vishnupriya Kamaraj, CPC CPP. These are the officers always try to assist the medical coders who are having certifications from AAPC to provide free CEUs. Among these officers, few officers are already participating in international level. So international level, they are providing free education session to the medical coders. So basically, Chennai chapter is expanded all over the world. So these are the stats for Chennai chapter members. So here member type, total chapter members in 2022, 14, 782, 23, 15, 53, 6, 536. So total certified members 13,591 in 2023, 14, 783. So if we see here, year by year, chapter members are increasing. If you see here, CPC, they have 10,949 members. So in 2023, CPC certified members 12,201, and COC in the same way approximately 1,337, and 2023 1,301. CRC 1,400 approximately in 2023 also 1,400. CIC basically this is also same in 2022 515 and 2023 517. For CPMA in 2022 148 members, in 2023 156 members. So these are the meeting stats. So this is the grand total. Chennai chapter members 8,115, other chapter members 3,042, non-certified member 23, total 11,180. So these are the members attended during their free webinars. If you check this image, top 20 chapters with most member attendees at April 2023 meetings. So always Chennai chapter is the top most. See here, Chennai, India, we have 687 members. And Abu Dhabi, we have 189. Like Tuscan, Arizona, 170. Jamaica, New York, 156. Richardson, Texas, 143. So based on these stats, we can understand that Chennai chapter is always at number one position among top 20 chapters with most attendees, as all of us know that one. So always Chennai chapter chooses the trending topics which are currently in the healthcare industry. And also Chennai chapter is the chapter which is having nearly 4,000 member space for Zoom meetings. So if you ever attended Chennai chapter, in order to engage members, so they will provide polling questions. So if you are successful in that polling question, they are going to give some contribution to your success. So rewards and recognitions. Gift vouchers to top 4 winners of polling session. So each and every webinar, Chennai chapter will conduct polling. So in that polling, Chennai chapter will choose 4 winners for gift vouchers. Food for thought, motivational books for speakers. So if you work as a speaker for Chennai chapter, they will provide you with motivational books. So and also they will provide gift voucher to speakers. So during virtual HealthCon sponsorship for 50 members in 2022 and 100 members in 2023. Among those 100 members, I am also one member of that virtual HealthCon. So Chennai chapter is sponsored me for virtual HealthCon, which was occurred in October 2023. So if you want to attend virtual HealthCon, you need to continuously attend Chennai APC chapter CU webinars. So you will get free CUs as well as the opportunity to attend virtual HealthCon. Yes, Chennai chapter will sponsor the coders who are regular attendees for their local chapter meetings. So these are the few images they have conducted May Mania event. So May Mania is mostly uh, conducting in US, but to here also in India also Chennai chapter is conducted May Mania. So this is basically hybrid model in 2023. You can check the images here. So here we will see the speakers of Chennai chapter. In 2023, 2022, these are the speakers. So with the help of these speakers, we have learned so many things related to medical coding. And also so far in 2023, these are the speakers who are most famous in order to explain the trending medical coding topics in easy way. Based on my knowledge, this Vassala Muthukumar Swami is more famous for local chapter webinars. So she has provided, and also now also she is I think producing few webinars for US attendees also. So she will attend in US local chapter meetings as a speaker. In 2022, APC Virtual HealthCon, so Rajalakshmi Gopalakrishnan and Chilaka Padmaja have participated and they have conducted webinars. So in 2023, I have the opportunity to attend Virtual HealthCon because of Chennai chapter, and here Maithili Dilli as well as Sarsabai Satish Kumar. These both are participated in the Virtual HealthCon in 2023. So here are the Chennai chapter members also provide their contribution to Healthcare Business Magazine, which we will use in order to get free CEs every month. So we have Vishnu Priya Kamaras already participated, and so Vasala Muthu Kumaraswamy as she is more famous for US local chapters also, and here Chandrasekhar Boreda. So he has also published few articles in about healthcare in Australia. And here we have Archana Murali. She has provided one article on healthcare business mentry regarding when to use modifier QW. So as a corporate social responsibility activity in 2023 22, so they have provided some free supplies to the poor people here. So they have provided their image here. So greatest animus to our chapter members. So dear chapter members, you are an essential member of our chapter and your contributions have played a pivotal role in making this a resounding success. So we extend our heartfelt gratitude to every member for their unwavering dedication and commitment, which have propelled our chapter towards success since its establishment in 2015. So whenever you are in need of free CUs, kindly follow Chennai chapters webinars, and also you can follow Fastcoder 21 YouTube channel in order to get free CUs. So always we will post Chennai chapter and all other APC chapters free webinar information in our Fastcoder 21 YouTube channel. So if you like this session, please click on like button and motivate me to provide more valuable sessions regarding medical coding and all other healthcare related latest information.